Hey, I'm Ken.
I'm Anita. This is our house. Come on in. I want to show you around. This is the dining room. There's actually a great story here. In one of our homes, we found this antique table, and I knew it could be restored into something beautiful.
Yeah.
Someone else questioned that.
I was wrong.
We had a new top put on it.
This is cool too, because this was in the yard of this house that we bought. This was a 1960s style house. Some old fencing that we pulled together, and we found these old Coke bottles in the garage.
This was here. These were original cabinets in the home. All this hardware was original. I do have a little bit of a sweet tooth, and I do love jelly beans, and these are the cookies that Ken loves.
This is a metal canister that Anita assumed was waterproof. Turns out we found out today it's not waterproof.
No.
Which is why we have water all over our floor right now.
But don't you love these lovely fresh
Oh,
flowers?
it's totally worth getting water everywhere.
Yeah. Welcome to our kitchen.
This is where the magic happens. This is where the kids eat eggs every morning, fresh from our own chickens.
You can often feed a whole family of 4 with the crumbs that they leave on the floor there.
And that's why Riley likes this kitchen so much, is because most of it ends up right down there.
I could sit in this chair right here and look out the window all day long.
The view from right here, that's one of the things that sold us on this house, is the view overlooking this lake is spectacular.
But this table's falling apart, so be careful.
Yeah. Don't lean too hard on the table. I don't know any good contractors, that's the problem, to fix this.
We love a good fire.
Lots of fires in the winter here. It's like a wood burning stove, it blows the heat out into the room, and our kids love having fires.
So Friday nights in this house is family movie night. Homemade pizzas.
Yeah.
And lots of cuddles and snuggles on the couch or here on the floor in front of the fire. Ken is really embarrassed about this chair, but
not embarrassed.
let's just...
It's just not my favorite chair.
Part of that is because of this pattern. However, I love pattern and I love color, and this chair screams Anita. I enjoy it. It's probably time to retire it.
We lucked out because there were so many windows across this entire living space with just this incredible view of the lake. That's really what sold us on the house.
I'm grateful every day for home.
Yeah,
and for,
it's wherever you have pizza night, right?
Exactly. Home is pizza night on Friday.
That's what pizza night is.
And listen, you can't get me off the couch on a Friday night. Oh, let me show you one last thing. Every mom needs a space that's just theirs, and this is basically my pen room, because I have this thing with pens. I have since I was a kid, and when I was a teacher, that was my thing. So this is my pen house, maybe? Look at all these pens. These are highlighters, pens, pencils, you name it. These are paint pens for crafting. My favorite pen these days is the brown ink pen. It looks beautiful on paper. I do write notes to people every week, and this is my card stash. I sew here. I fix my kids' stuffed animals' boo-boos here. I cannot believe I'm gonna show you this, but it's only because I love you and you're amazing friends. This is my supply closet. This is all my supplies, paint samples, pictures, fabric. It's a mess in here, but that's why we closed the door.
This little guy, Rocco, is a cancer survivor. And when he came out of treatment, we had a bunch of friends who wanted to give him something special. And so they all pitched in and we built this really cool treehouse. Come on, guys.
This is the wonderful treehouse that was gifted to us. We've got the kids' artwork hung up here on the wall. They've got a table to color in, tons of art supplies.
Another thing we love about this treehouse is the loft. It's got a really cool chalkboard wall up there. It's carpeted. It's their sort of place to hide from us when they want to get away.
Yep. We've definitely had a few family movie nights out here and campouts.
It's a good slumber party, is what it is. So we're going to take you to the barn where we keep our goats and our dogs and sometimes pigs. You know, for us, it was super important to have our kids grow up around animals and learn about responsibility. And selfishly, I like the fact that they don't have to mow the lawn up there because the goats handle it for us.
That was most definitely the motivation.
But it's just fun. Animals are fun. Goats are easy too.
All walks of life are welcome in the Corsini house.
That's right.